This over here is the living area and the dining area. This is your open kitchen that comes with an. Now, this bedroom, of course, because it is a master bedroom, it comes with a. Hello and welcome to Housey, India's only online platform जहाँ पे listing करते हैं सीधे developers, thereby giving you the bottom-most price guaranteed. Unlike other real estate portals, जहाँ पे जब आप करते हैं एक inquiry, आपको आते हैं multiple calls from multiple brokers. यहाँ पर हम आपका connect करवाते हैं सीधे developers के साथ. और आज मैं एकता कपूर एट हाउसी आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ एक खूबसूरत सा सैंपल फ्लैट एट हिलक्रेस्ट बाय पीके ग्रुप. दे हैव लग्जूरियस 3 and 4 BHK अपार्टमेंट्स जिनमें से एक सैंपल फ्लैट मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ. बने रहिए मेरे साथ. लेट्स गो. 1160 स्क्वायर फीट का ये है रॉयल सा 3 BHK. हम घर के अंदर तो जाएंगे लेकिन उससे पहले आप ये पैसेज देखिए. There are huge passages that have been provided for every apartment over here, and along with that, at the entrance, you will get a video door phone for your security and also a digital door lock. Now, one thing that I really liked about the apartment is that because ये passage काफी बड़ा है, उन्होंने इसका यूटिलाइजेशन किया है by keeping the doors opening towards the outside and not inside, which saves in a lot of space. So let's get inside the house now, and this is the aisle area. Along with that, यहाँ पर आता है आपका guest bedroom. Now this over here is a huge guest bedroom that comes with an attached toilet and wash. Let's take a closer look at it. It comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and the CP sanitary fittings as well. Now the guest bedroom also comes with an attached balcony. Why am I calling it an attached balcony over here? Because it is also attached to your living room. We'll see how, but first of all, let's take a look at it over here. Now this is the balcony right over here that comes covered from the top with a wooden ceiling and also a toughened glass railing. It is halfway covered from one side, and also for maximum ventilation, they have provided a window right over here. Now the window is also a complete glass window, and 3/4 of it is a sliding window and 1/4 of it is a fixed one. This opens with the slide and it also has a pre-fitted mosquito net to it. चलिए अब मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ यही वाली बालकनी लिविंग रूम से भी, और वही देखते देखते हम लिविंग रूम और डाइनिंग एरिया भी देख लेंगे. Let's move ahead into the house. Now another one thing that I liked is that यहाँ पर lobby है और यहाँ पर living room है, तो direct access to your living room is not possible. This over here is the living area and the dining area. Now let's take a look at the balcony that I was talking about some time back. The balcony that opens centrally towards both the sides gives a feeling of a bigger space, and this is the balcony which is also attached right over here to your guest bedroom. And even this one comes with a wooden ceiling and with a wooden flooring and with a toughened glass railing and is also covered from 3 sides. Let's get back inside the house over here. Through the dining area, we will walk right into the open kitchen right over here. This is your open kitchen that comes with an L-shaped granite slab and also a quad kitchen sink. Now the quad kitchen sink, you already know the benefits of it. There is less staining and it stays for a very long time. Where I am standing right now is the enclosed utility area, and it comes with a rising over here so that you can keep your washing machines, and the dry and the wet areas can be separated. Despite that, they have also given you a window right over here, which also opens in a sliding pattern, of course, and it also has a pre-fitted mosquito net to it. And still there is a provision for exhaust. Everything is very thoughtful, I must say. Now let's proceed towards the bedrooms over here. From the dining area, right next to the dining area, over here is your wash basin and your common toilet and wash area. And here is the first bedroom of the house that comes with yet another very, very, very big window. Now, when I say very, very, very big window, I mean it is a window that goes from wall to wall, and it is a complete glass fixture over here. 1/4 of it is fixed and 3/4 of it is a sliding window, and it also comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net right over here. let's proceed into the rest of the bedrooms, and while we're doing that, let me also take this opportunity to tell you कि हाउसी पे आप देख सकते हैं सैम्पल फ्लैट वीडियोस, 360 डिग्री टूर्स और उसी के साथ साथ एक्चुअल प्रोजेक्ट लोकेशन टूर, प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू वीडियोस और तो और प्रोज एंड कॉन्स भी। अब इतने सारे के सारे डिटेल्स अगर हम आपको एक ही जगह पर प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं तो हमने सोचा क्यों ना हम आपको प्राइसिंग डिटेल, ईएमआई डिटेल, आपका डाउन पेमेंट का डिटेल, आपको मेंटेनेंस कितना पे करना पड़ेगा, आपको पोजेशन कब मिलेगा, ये सब डिटेल्स भी आपको दे ही दे। तो उसके लिए आपको करना है सिर्फ एक छोटा सा काम, और वो है नीचे कैप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पर करना है क्लिक। जैसे ही आप उस पर क्लिक करेंगे आपको मिल जाएगा एक ई ब्रोशर जिसमें कि आपको मिल जाएंगे सभी डिटेल्स हर एक प्रोजेक्ट से रिलेटेड। और अगर आप उसके बाद करना चाहते हैं आपका प्रोजेक्ट साइट विजिट, ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि आप इतने अच्छे अपार्टमेंट्स यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं तो आप जानना चाहेंगे कि ये एक्चुअली फिजिकली कैसे दिखते हैं, तो आप यहाँ पर आना चाहेंगे। उसके लिए हम आपको दे देंगे एक डेडिकेटेड रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर जो कि आपको ले जाएंगे प्रोजेक्ट साइट विजिट्स पर, और उसके बाद आप कर सकते हैं अपने मन चाहे घर का बुकिंग कंप्लीट, और ये सभी कुछ एब्सोल्युटली ब्रोकरेज फ्री। सो जल्दी से कीजिए रजिस्टर हाउसी पे, और आइए हम देखते हैं बाकी का बेडरूम इस घर का। यहाँ पर है आपका ग्रैंड मास्टर बेडरूम। Now this bedroom, of course, because it is a master bedroom, it comes with an attached toilet and wash right over here. Let's quickly take a look at it. This also comes with anti-skid tiles and wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And the grand surprise, it is yet to come. Here it is, आपका master bedroom और उसकी एक master balcony जो कि है यहाँ पर। आपके मास्टर बेडरूम की बालकनी भी आएगी कवर्ड ऊपर से विद अ वुडन सीलिंग, फ्लोरिंग भी आ जाएगी आपको वुडन सिरेमिक टाइल्स जो कि होते हैं एंटी स्किड, और आपको मिल जाएगी ये टफन ग्लास रेलिंग भी। अब इतना खूबसूरत घर है तो आपको जल्दी से करनी पड़ेगी अपनी प्रोजेक्ट साइट बुक, और आप आ जाइए जल्दी से। तब तक मैं एंजॉय करती हूँ यहाँ का व्यू। थैंक यू वेरी मच। So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Hillcrest located in Pimple Saudagar, Pune by PK Group.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.